How's it hanging, guys? Fisherman the Best here. We're out at Curtis Pond in Montpelier, Vermont, and we're looking to catch some freaking largemouth today.
Maybe a couple small now.
Okay, all jokes aside, that's probably the cringiest intro I've ever done. But this is looks like a very shallow pond. I bet it's no deeper than 15 feet. And there's a lot of lily pads, a lot of just shallow water. I think top water fishing is going to be what does it here. You know, now I'm going to make, this is just going to end up being such a great day of fishing that I'm going to have to make a video out of this. See, the tendency is I go fishing with the camera expecting to catch a lot of fish and not catch a lot of fish, or any at all. And now that I've made myself not want to make a video out of this, I'm probably going to catch a lot.
That's a really good strategy, actually. I like it.
I don't know. Maybe that's why all the other YouTubers are so cringy.
Honestly,
Not a bad guess, huh?
yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
We just go right down there?
Yeah.
Go right down this.
Hold on to it.
Yep.
Oh, that's a lot deeper than I thought.
It's very deep. It looks pretty good around the edges, though.
Yeah, let's just go to the other side and then we'll worry about tying stuff on.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good sized lake. It's not huge.
I mean, it keeps going, like, in every corner, but
Yeah.
I bet right in that next place. See off into the right.
The right. Let's go to the left. I want to go out to that way.
Yeah, no.
See that?
Yeah, directly to the right there on the
Oh,
cliff.
yeah. It doesn't seem like many people fish right here. Seems like they're all just kayaking. Yeah. Just enjoying the time.
I don't know.
That's fine. More fish for us. Okay, we're gonna start by throwing a bait I've never thrown before.
Nice.
Good old buzz bait. See the pads right over here?
Yep. I'm gonna let you take that.
Oh no, you can cast there too. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay.
Popper time. Hula popper vibes. No, the popper is cool and all, but I just don't think it's the right color.
You should throw it under that tree over there.
That one.
Yeah.
See how I cast under the tree and not into it?
Shut the f up.
Okay.
Am I allowed to swear on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'll just censor it and make it funny. Beep. Oh, dude, he pulled my drag out. It was a largemouth. He didn't come out of the water for it, but he hit it. I had him hooked. Have one? Really?
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, nothing. Looks like a little logy. A pickerel.
Oh. Oh boy.
What do you got here? Oh. What do we got? It's not fighting like a pickerel.
It's heavy.
I think you've got a bass. No, it's just a bigger pickerel. My God.
I'm getting all of them, bro. I swear to God.
Pickerel time. There's no shortage of them.
This is fun. I like catching pickerel.
Do you? They fight pretty hard.
Yeah.
Bass fight much harder. I want to find these largemouth. It's probably going to be right down near dusk that they start. And you said 8 o'clock to get home.
Hopefully I'll have service by 8.
There we go. Bass! Largemouth, dude. Big largemouth. Big largemouth. You see how huge that was? This thing's a fucking meatball.
I saw that. Jeez.
He's gonna jump again, maybe? Maybe he's not that huge. He's just a good one. Don't you dare get off. You're not supposed to be like this. Why are you so scrappy?
Nice. That's a chonker, bro.
There we go.
Holy shit.
First largemouth of 2022. Hell yeah. And actually the first largemouth of 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah, I haven't caught one of these for a while. It might even be longer than 2, to be fair.
I'm back out of here.
Oh, that was sick. He jumped right out of the water on camera. My SD card filled, and immediately after that, I knew I was going to catch a fish because it happened mid-cast. And lo and behold, I called it out, and it ended up happening. I caught a largemouth, and, you know, I'm okay with it because it's a fish. But at the same time, why does it always happen this way? It's always... Yeah, he's letting himself be known. Hey. Oh my God. He's not gonna get out. Nice little largie. Max is gonna keep him and eat him up. Largemouth are a lot more tasty than people give them credit for.